Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Gemini Wallet on your iPhone. In order to download Gemini Wallet on your iPhone, the first thing you'll need to do is to make sure you're connected to your internet. Once you are, go and tap open your App Store. In the search box at the top, give it a tap and type in Gemini Wallet and search. You'll be able to see the application displayed in the search results. Simply tap on the Get button right next to the app in order to begin the downloading process. Confirm your identification in order to download the application. Wait until the application gets downloaded. It might take a while depending upon your internet speed, so always make sure to be connected to a strong internet while downloading any kind of an application. With the Gemini wallet, you can buy and sell or store your crypto, invest, and much more. Once the application gets downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch the app open. And there you have downloaded Gemini Wallet application on your iPhone. How to download Gemini Wallet on your PC. In order to download Gemini Wallet on your PC, then you'll need to download an Android emulator first. Make sure to download an Android emulator. Since I've downloaded the BlueStacks 5 Android emulator, I'm going to open up that. If you don't have one, you can go ahead and search for any Android emulator that you feel comfortable with. And once you have it, click it open. For those who have downloaded the BlueStacks Android emulator, let's go ahead and click it open. As soon as you open it up, go to the Play Store option from the display. You might need to enter your Google account's credential in order to open up Play Store on your BlueStacks. Once you open it up, in the search bar, type in Gemini and press enter. In the search result displayed on the screen, click on the install button right next to the app and the downloading process will begin. Make sure to be connected to a strong internet in order to download the application faster in your device. Once it is downloaded, wait for it to install, and once installed, click on the open button to open the app. And there you have successfully downloaded Gemini Wallet for your PC. How to log into Gemini Wallet. In order to log into Gemini Wallet on your mobile device, tap open your application from the app drawer. As soon as you do that, you'll end up in the portfolio page. From this page, go to the top right corner to find out a human icon. Simply tap on it and you'll end up in the settings page. Go to the sign in button at the bottom in order to log into your account. You'll end up in the login area for Gemini Wallet. Enter your email address that is associated with your account. Once you type in your email, head over to the next field and type in your password. Double check your password by clicking on the show link right beside it. In case you've forgotten your password, you can tap on the forgot password link right beneath the show link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. If you don't have an account yet, tap on create a Gemini account at the bottom of the page and register yourself first. Once everything's typed in, tap on the login button in order to log into your Gemini wallet. You'll need to type in the verification code that has been sent to your mobile number. Type the code in and tap on continue. And then you have been logged in to your Gemini wallet account. How to log into your Gemini wallet on your desktop. Now let's get started. Go open up your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.gemini.com and press enter. This will take you to the official website of Gemini, which looks like this. Go to the sign in button at the top right corner and click it on. This will take you to the login area for Gemini Wallet. Start off by entering your email address that is associated with your account. Make sure to type it in correct. Once you are done, head over to the password text field. Type in your password. Again, make sure to type in the correct password while logging into your account. If you'd like to double check your password, click on this little eye icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. If you'd like the device to remember your email address so that next time you try to log into your account, you won't have to type in your email address, then click on this box right here where it says remember my email address. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, make sure to uncheck this box. If you don't have an account yet on Gemini, then click on this create new account link beneath and follow the instructions to register yourself. In case you don't remember your password and are stuck in this login area, you can click on reset your password link and follow the instructions. After typing all of the details in, click sign in, wait for a few seconds. Now you'll need to go through the SMS verification process. Type in the 7-digit code that will be sent to your mobile number. After you type in your 7-digit code, click on sign in. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your Gemini wallet on your desktop. How to change your Gemini wallet account's password. Now let's proceed further. Open up your Gemini wallet application from your app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your account. From the main home screen of Gemini Wallet, tap on the human icon at the top right corner. And once you do that, from the account menu, you'll be able to see a button that says Security Settings. Tap it on. Under Security Settings, you'll be able to see a Change Password link. Tap on that and type in the current password for your account into the first text box where it says Current Password. You can double check your password by clicking on this Show link right next to it. Now type in the new password that you'd like to change to and tap Continue at the bottom. Soon after you do that, your password will be changed successfully. How to reset your Gemini Wallet account's password. Now let's get started. Tap Open your Gemini Wallet application from your app drawer and you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Tap on the human icon at the top right corner of this page and this will bring up your settings menu. Now from the settings menu, tap on the sign in button in order to enter your login area. Type in the email address that is associated with your Gemini Wallet. Make sure to type it in correct. When it asks for your password, if you remember the password during the process, type it in into the text field. But if you don't, no matter how much you try, tap on the Forgot Password link. Once you tap on that, this will take you to the next page. Now you'll need to type in your email address into the text box if you'd like to reset your password, and then tap Continue. You'll need to type in the code that has been sent to your email address. So simply open up your email and check your inbox. You should receive a password reset request. Simply tap it open and now copy the code that has been sent to you. Go back to the wallet and type in the code into the authorization code text box. Tap Submit. Now go open your SMS app on your mobile phone and you'll receive a 7-digit code sent to you. Type the code in that you received and tap on Sign In. Soon after you tap Sign In, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Here you can type in a new password that you'd like to change to or reset to into the text box. Before moving on, you can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon in the right corner. And also, if you are trying to create a new password, then you'll need to create a password that matches these criteria displayed on the screen beneath. Finally, after everything's typed in, click on Confirm and Sign In. And you have successfully reset your password to a new one on Gemini Wallet. Tap on OK. Next time you log into your account, simply enter the new password that you changed to. Tap Login after you're done. And then you have successfully logged into your account as well. That is how you'll be able to reset your password to something else in case you've forgotten your password for Gemini Wallet. How to log out of your Gemini Wallet. In order to log out of Gemini Wallet account, go tap Open your Gemini Wallet application from your app drawer. Now once you reach to the main homepage of Gemini Wallet, all you need to do is go to the human icon in the top right corner and give it a tap. This will open up your account page. Scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see a sign out button at the bottom of the screen. Simply tap on that and you have been signed out or logged out of Gemini Wallet. If you'd like to log back in again, simply enter your email into the first text box and now type in your password into the password text field. Make sure to type in the correct password while logging into your account. If you'd like to double check your password, click on the Show link right beside the password box. And finally, click on Log In. How to delete your Gemini Wallet account on your next tab. If you'd like to get rid of your Gemini Wallet account since you no longer want to use it, then you can do it in a few simple steps. Open up a web browser and log into your Gemini Wallet account first. Go to www.gemini.com and press enter. Make sure you're logged into your Gemini Wallet and from the home page of Gemini Wallet, go and click on the Account button at the top right corner. This will bring up an expanded menu. Simply select Settings from the options. Now you've landed in your profile info page. Scroll all the way down and at the bottom you'll be able to see a button that says Close Account. Before closing your account, make sure you have withdrawn all of your funds. Your account balance must be 0 in order to proceed further. So make sure you have no funds left in your Gemini Wallet and finally click on Close Account. Now it says that you're about to close your Gemini account. You'll need to ensure if all of your Gemini balance are 0 before closing your account. If you have a Gemini credit card, closing your account will also close your Gemini credit card account. So make sure to go through all of the information before proceeding further in order to close your account. Type in close with your caps lock on into the text box where it says confirmation and you should see the close account button activated. Click on that button and there you have successfully deleted or closed your account for Gemini Wallet. It is pretty simple. You can do it in few simple steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.